Hello again. I'm Rebecca from Tisdale Manor, and welcome back. There's a kind of decorating that does not announce itself. It does not depend on the newest trend, the perfect matching set, or a room that looks finished to the last inch. Instead, it draws you in slowly, with an old piece here, a surprising color there, a bit of patina, a bit of charm, and the sense that someone with a real life actually lives there. Kristin Mullen is a Dallas-based designer with a European-inspired point of view. Her style feels traditional but not old-fashioned. It has that classic foundation, but there's also a freshness to it. Her own studio describes her work as blending modernity with antiquity, and that really seems to capture the spirit of her interiors. There is an appreciation for the old and the time worn, but also a willingness to bring in modern elements when they feel right. She emphasizes color, layering, whimsy, classical principles, travel, historic homes, and even a little fantasy. So there is a sense that her rooms are not just decorated, they are imagined. They have personality, history, and a bit of charm that keeps them from feeling predictable. Kristin Mullen has described her own Dallas aesthetic as anti-trend. She says that it is shaped more by Europe and Asia than by whatever happens to be popular at the moment. And I think that tells us a lot about her work. She is not designing rooms that feel like they were pulled from a trend report. She is creating spaces that feel more lasting, more collected, and more personal. Mullen has said that she is not drawn to rooms that look too artificial or too done. She wants interiors to feel collected over time and to tell the story of the people who live there. And that is such an important distinction because a room can be beautiful and still feel stiff. It can be polished and still feel impersonal. But her room seemed to aim for something softer than that, something more welcoming, something that feels like real life has happened there. One phrase connected with her work is elegantly edited, and I think this is a lovely way to describe it. There is a less is more approach here. It is not simply adding more decoration or filling every space. It is about knowing what belongs, what adds character, and what gives the room meaning. She describes successful rooms as welcoming, a little time worn, handcrafted, organic, and not too precious. They suggest rooms that are beautiful but still comfortable, rooms that are refined but not fragile, rooms that have softness, texture, and a sense of ease. And that may be what makes her work feel so appealing. It has elegance, but it also has warmth. It respects tradition, but it does not feel frozen in the past. It feels collected, thoughtful, and full of character. Until next time, keep living beautifully.